And then the antidepressant causes sexual dysfunction.
Exactly.
And then or erectile dysfunction for men, and then they give them Viagra for that. But don't ever tell them that the drug could be causing that. You don't really need the drug, and antidepressants have never really ever in a clinical, double-blind clinical controlled trial ever been shown to be effective. Honestly,
No.
Period. I don't believe it. I don't believe SSRIs are effective at treating depression at all. Remember, 45% of the people in the trials, per the drug company's trials, 40% of the people responded to placebo.
Yeah.
It's crazy how we've been duped.
Yeah. Neuroscience, that's a urinary neurotransmitter testing company. I was their first account in Austin in 1998.
Wow.
And that's how I help people get off of these antidepressants. Because with antidepressants, it kind of fools your body into thinking you have plenty. Right. So then when you try to go off, they call it rebound depression, but it's because your body quit making these neurotransmitters.
Right.
So, you feed them the basic amino acids to remake these neurotransmitters, and you can actually, safely come off of these.